Listen and complete the sentences.
With us today is Judy Miller, a well-known scientist. Hello, Judy. Welcome.
Thank you.
How did you happen to become so much interested in the ecological problem?
I was born and grew up in the southern part of the US. I went to school in the city of New Orleans. In the summer of 2005, I was back home from my holidays, preparing for the beginning of my final school year, when on Sunday, I still remember the date, the 28th of August, we understood that Hurricane Katrina was on the way to the city. On Monday, the 29th, it hit New Orleans and we had a week of horror.
It was a disaster, in fact, that started your career, wasn't it?
It was. Actually, Katrina was one of the wildest storms in history. It took 1,833 lives and caused a lot of damage. 80% of New Orleans was buried in flood water. But my family were lucky, our house wasn't damaged. Then I felt I had to do something, so I decided to study nature's wildest storms, hurricanes.
When do such storms usually happen?
During the so-called hurricane season, from June to November in the Atlantic Ocean and from May until November in the Pacific Ocean.
How does a hurricane start?
In the Atlantic Ocean, they actually begin as windy thunderstorms that are formed over the warm ocean near the equator. Then the winds pick up energy from the warm surface of the ocean water.
What is the main danger?
These major tropical storms can be very dangerous along coastlines because ocean waters rush onto land, destroying everything. When this is combined with heavy rainfall, there can be awful floods.
Why do hurricanes happen so often?
Many scientists think that warmer ocean temperatures have led to stronger tropical storms and hurricanes. So the explanation is global warming and climatic changes.
People say that the wildest and strongly dangerous winds suddenly stop and unusually quiet periods come, and then the hurricane hits even more strongly. Why?
The center of a hurricane is called the eye. While most of a hurricane contains dangerously strong winds, the eye is actually a calm area in the storm. When the eye of a hurricane passes over land, people usually think the storm is over, but before long the wind and rain increase again.